how to transfer crypto from KuCoin App to MEXC Global. Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to transfer crypto from KuCoin App to MEXC Global. Now, transferring cryptocurrency, it's a straightforward process. All you have to do is follow the steps. First of all, you need to go and log in into your MEXC Global. So open up a browser and on the web address bar type in MEXC Global. Log in into your account. That is going to take you to the home page. And next thing, you have to go to the assets usually found under the bottom of the screen and select deposit. Then you need to choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer from the KuCoin. Ensure you select the correct coin to avoid any issues, and you will be provided with the deposit address, characters, and possibly a QR code. You just have to copy the deposit. As you're done copying the deposited address, now moving on, you need to go and log in into your KuCoin account. So on the web address bar, type in kucoin.com, or you could also use an application. And when you're logged in, go to the asset section. As you click on the withdraw button, you need to choose the same cryptocurrency you selected on the MEX Global. After that, enter the withdrawal details. And you need to go ahead and paste in the address, enter the exact amount, and make sure you have selected the correct network for the transfer and confirm the withdrawal. The transfer may take some time to complete depending on the blockchain network trafficking. You can monitor the status of the transaction in both KuCoin and MEXC Global. Then you'll receive a notification indicating that the deposit is successful and the funds are available in your MEXC Global account. So that is how you can transfer crypto from KuCoin to MEXC Global. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.